మీ బిజినెస్ ఏదైనా మీ ఊర్లో ప్రమోషన్ చేయాలంటే అది సుమన్ టీవీతోనే సాధ్యం. ఇప్పుడే సంప్రదించండి.
పల్నాడు జిల్లాకు తొలిసారిగా రాష్ట్ర ఎన్నికల కమిషనర్ ముఖేష్ కుమార్ మీనా మరియు రాష్ట్ర డీజీపీ హరీష్ కుమార్ గుప్తా విచ్చేశారు. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో జూన్ 4న జరగనున్న ఎన్నికల కౌంటింగ్ ఏర్పాట్లను పరిశీలించడానికి నర్సరావుపేట మండలంలోని కాకాని వద్ద జేఎన్టీయూ కళాశాలలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన స్ట్రాంగ్ రూమ్స్ మరియు ఎన్నికల కౌంటింగ్ ఏర్పాట్లను, భద్రతా ఏర్పాట్లను ఈసీ మరియు డీజీపీ, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్, జిల్లా ఎస్పీ తదితరులు జిల్లా అధికారులు పరిశీలించారు.
And even going forward another 1 week, if we require any other material, it will be procured as and when it is required. Next, please. This is a security arrangement, sir. 3-tier as per the ECI guidelines. Outermost tier with the state police. Second tier, state armed police ani undi, sir. But we don't have state armed police as of now. We have only DAR, District Armed Reserve is there. So that is second tier. And the innermost will be CRPF. We have these many numbers, sir. CRPF, 32 people are there. 27 they are deployed 24/7. 5 people they are using for their logistical purposes, food and all. Then Armed Reserve DR, 23 are there. State Civil Police, we have around 34 as of now deployed in the Tier 3. 155 cameras are presently working, sir. Outside the counting center, even for the candidates to view the CCTV footages of the strong rooms as well as the area, we have established it. Every day people are sitting there at that area. And every day, morning, evening and morning, afternoon, evening, 3 times, candidates or their agents, with our officer, we are taking them inside also to just see the area. Apart from CCTV footage which is made available to them, we are taking them inside also. So on that part, we are following the ECI guidelines scrupulously, sir. Just in addition to these 3 layers, sir, these premises that we have, there is a compound wall which is much outer side. At that compound wall itself, we have put up one more layer from our side, so that even beyond 3rd level, there is a 4th level also, which is only our district specific, and we are stopping all the vehicles on the counting day at that level itself. It is around half a kilometer walking needs to be done. So regardless of that, everybody, including DEO or SP, we will walk that half kilometer so that no vehicles are allowed anywhere closer to the counting area. Next, please. This is just general photos, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. This counting hall arrangements, this is still in progress, but more or less everything has been done. 90 to 95% arrangements are done.
They can create many situations. Between 1st and 4th and 5th also, we have to be really careful about what is happening in social media. Of late, people have been threatening. Putting threatening comments, we have registered some cases also. You decide to send him for remand.
But that was not acceptable.
It's okay. Yeah. When you have arrested, we have to send a very clear message. Be very careful about what is happening. Rumor mongering, the social media,
Immediately
threatening and all that, revenge and all those words. It doesn't. That's a signal that village or that particular area may be
Have some
problem. Yeah.
So the mobile phones of candidates and the agents are allowed inside the counting room?
No, sir, maybe I missed to mention, sir, outside the 3rd tier itself, we are arranging 7 stalls for 7 constituencies as well as parliament segments, where all the mobiles will be deposited. Nobody will be allowed inside the 2nd tier itself. That is
Only the
being
observer, returning officer, and one person who is responsible for ETPBMS.
That needs to be actually the agents.
So I think your RO should be able to give a list of all these people who are allowed to carry mobiles
Yes, sir.
to the not only the police in charge of Bandobast there, but to CRPF, because they will be standing on that
Yes, sir.
entry of the hall.
Yes, sir.
So उनको दे देना.
A thorough frisking needs to be done. Otherwise, these people go inside, they create, they release the video. Whatever
they
video
will.
we need to release, they start releasing the videos.